Hello to all my friends, and here is one more video from Food for Toddlers. Today I'll be presenting yam fry recipe. This tube is known by various names. You call it suran, yam, jimikand, chena, or the most common name is elephant foot yam. This tube is packed with loads of nutrients. And friends, the way we are gonna fry it, it really comes out amazingly tasty. So let's start with the requirements. Let's start with the oil required for frying. I've taken here mustard oil. Then we need yam. For uniform and instant cooking, I'll suggest to go for chopping it lengthwise. Then we need a bunch of fresh fenugreek leaves. These add amazing flavor to the fry. Few green chilies. Chopped onions. Moving on to spices, we need turmeric, a good amount of it. Kashmiri red chili powder. Chaat masala, cumin powder, garam masala, some salt, and for tempering we need cumin seeds, ajwain or carom seeds, and the final ingredient goes in is besan or gram flour. So friends, let's start cooking. We'll start with putting some water to boil. As the water starts boiling, add the chopped yam pieces into it. As you can see friends, I have chopped these in the lengthwise, just like we do for French fries. Now add around 1 teaspoon of turmeric and red chili powder to it, and around 1 teaspoon of salt while boiling. Now friends, boiling is an important step as these yams have to be completely cooked while boiling. Also friends, some variety of yam contains some itchy substance which is completely drained off with boiling. Just check it with the fork whether the yam is completely boiled, completely cooked or not. Before straining friends, do make sure that the yam is completely cooked and soft enough. Now remove all the water by straining and leave it for 5 minutes so that it reaches the room temperature. So friends, meanwhile it cools down, we'll start with the frying process. In a hot pan, add some mustard oil. Friends, you can go with oil of your preference. Now we'll be tempering it with cumin seeds and carom seeds. Once these are roasted nicely, then add onion to it. Now we'll be saute this chopped onion. Then add some chopped green chilies. When onions start slightly changing color, I'll be adding turmeric powder to it. Goes in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, as while boiling we have already used a generous amount of it. Give it a stir. Then goes in Kashmiri red chili powder. While adding this, you can switch off the flame. Oil is hot enough to cook the red chili powder, no need of flame or else it will get a burnt flavor. When the raw flavor of chili is completely removed, now we'll be adding the boiled pieces of yam to it. Friends, before adding yam pieces, make sure it is on room temperature or else it will stick to each other. As we have boiled and drained off the water, the extra starch is also removed from these yam pieces and thus it gives a nice crispy stir fry. Just blend everything to get a uniform coating of spices and oil over the yam pieces. Friends, make sure that all the pieces are completely coated with oil and spices. Once you get a uniform coating of oil over the yam pieces, start sprinkling besan or gram flour over it. And friends, I try to include this flour in my regular cooking as it is a rich source of protein packed with fiber and a good source of folate. Give it a nice mix so that the yam pieces are covered with besan. Here I have used 3 tablespoons of gram flour and have added them in batches to get a uniform coating over the pieces. And when the yam are completely coated with gram flour, I'm adding salt to it. Friends, as I have taken here raw gram flour, now I'll be stirring this fry for 1 to 2 minutes so that the rawness of gram flour is completely removed. I'll be roasting it till 2 minutes. To avoid this step, you can take roasted gram flour. And friends, once the gram flour is completely roasted, add chopped fresh fenugreek leaves to it. Mix them well. Then add a teaspoon of chaat masala to get some tangy flavor. And goes in some cumin powder and garam masala. Then mix all the spices well. When all the spices and leaves are thoroughly blended, now let's cover and cook it for a minute or two so that the leaves are cooked. Friends, as you're gonna open the lid, you're really gonna feel the aroma of fenugreek leaves. So friends, the yam fry with fenugreek leaves is ready to be served. Just plate it and serve it with hot chapati or rice. I can bet over this that kids may not be able to recognize that it's a yam fry and they are gonna love it. Not only kids, I hope it will be loved by everyone, so do give it a try. So friends, it's time to end this video. Hoping to see you in next video with new concept. Till then, take care, eat well, God bless.